Don't download Rize Invest app before watching this. If you're considering Rize Invest to grow your savings or invest in it, pause for a moment. Most people assume all investment apps are equally safe and effective, but the surprising truth is that Rize Invest has limitations that could affect your financial goals if you aren't aware. Rize Invest markets itself as a simple and automated way to invest in ITFs and sustainable portfolios. On paper, it's perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach. But here's where most people get it wrong. The app's investment options are somewhat limited, meaning you might not have access to the full range of ITFs for strategies you want. For investors looking for highly diversified or niche exposure, Rize might feel restrictive. Another key point is fees. While Rize promotes low-cost investing, there are management fees that can accumulate over time. Even a small percentage can eat into your returns, especially if you're starting with a modest investment. Users often overlook this because the app makes it look effortless, but fees are a silent drag on long-term growth. The platform also heavily relies on automated investment algorithms. That means you won't have much control over rebalancing or portfolio customization. For someone who likes to actively manage risk or react to market changes, this lack of flexibility can be frustrating. On the positive side, Rize Invest does simplify investing for beginners. It offers goal tracking, easy onboarding, and a clean interface that removes much of the confusion of traditional investing. For people who want to automate savings into pre-selected ITFs, it can work very well. In conclusion, don't download Rize Invest expecting a one-size-fits-all solution. It's best suited for new investors who want simplicity, automated management, and a focus on sustainable portfolios. However, if you need full control, lower fees, or advanced diversification, you might want to explore alternatives. Understanding the limitations upfront will help you avoid surprises and make the app work for your financial journey.